Hello and welcome back to Jaymee's kitchen. Today we're gonna do something really special. We're gonna cook some pizza, or we're gonna bake some pizza. And for this recipe, what you need is some cheese. I have some super pizza mozzarella. I will be using some Calabrese salami. You can use pepperoni, or if you're vegetarian, you can use a bunch of other stuff. We need a bit of seasoning for the crust, so Italiano seasoning, some salt, I'm using pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. Let's go. And then we also need some pizza sauce. I have this can today. And for the dough, we need some flour, all-purpose flour. We also need 1 packet of instant yeast, quick rice, and some some olive oil. All right. Okay, we'll start with the dough. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. That's what we'll be using. So just 2 cups of this. Then we put it in there. Like so. Right, 2 cups. Alright. We need some seasoning. So we'll put some garlic powder in there. Just like that. We're gonna put some salt. Not too much. I'm gonna put some Italiano seasoning. Let's go. And some black pepper. Just a pinch of black pepper, like that. Right. We're gonna take a fork and we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. Oh, we also have to put the instant yeast in it. Right, let's do that. Let's put the yeast and then let's mix the dry ingredients. So yeah, pizza is kind of a recipe that looks hard to do, but once you know how to do it, like, you're gonna be so happy, and it's so good. It's like the best thing you can make at home. Like, you would not want to order a restaurant after you make a really good pizza. I can tell you that. Like, it's gonna be so good, especially if you do it with instant yeast. The crust is gonna be so nice. And then the sauce, you can make it like from scratch or just buy some pre-made one. For the sauce, I also missed one ingredient. It's gonna be hot sauce. I'm gonna put some hot sauce in the pizza sauce. All right, now that that's mixed, we're gonna put some water and start stirring. Okay, so now we're gonna put 2 like this, of warm water. I also forgot sugar. I need to put sugar in there. All right, let's put a little bit of sugar. I don't know how much I'm putting. Not too much. Just for the yeast. All right, and now we're gonna mix with a fork. So we're gonna mix like this. Until it forms a ball. Smells good, all this seasoning. So it's gonna form little clumps like that. That's good. I'm gonna try and then after that, we need to let it rise for like 10 minutes. That's what we'll do. While it rises for 10 minutes, we're gonna start the oven. So it's getting together now nicely. Yep, that's gonna be good. All right. Now I'm gonna use my hands. Shouldn't be too sticky, so maybe it's gonna stick a little bit, but should be not that bad. So we're gonna work it a little bit. Just make sure to work it well. Not too much though. We just want to form a ball. We're just trying to get every piece in it. It has a nice consistency already. This is like my third time making a homemade pizza at home. The first 2 times were amazing. The second one was like the best pizza I made. So I'm trying to make an even better pizza. The pizza I made the second time was prosciutto and salami. Right, so we're just gonna work a little bit, maybe 30 seconds. And then you have to let it rest in a warm place. So I'm just gonna put the bowl outside with a cover on top. Right, so that should be good enough. We don't want to work it too much. Right. So what we'll do is we'll put a little bit of oil on top. Like that. We're going to put a cover. I'm going to put it outside for 10 minutes. And while that's doing that, I'm going to put the oven at 425 Fahrenheit. Right now we're going to prepare the sauce because I'm modifying it a little bit. So we're going to open this can. This can is pizza sauce. Pizza sauce, like this. It's a Gattuso, Italian brand, I think. So yeah, I'm not doing much to this one. Just putting a bit of hot sauce in it. There we go. You put that in there. I'm putting a habanero hot sauce, but you don't need to put that hot. Obviously, you can put Tabasco, or if you don't like spicy, you can just put some, I don't know, pepper. Should do the same. Just black pepper, you know. Okay, and we're mixing. That's probably gonna be spicy as well. Alright. That should be good enough. Okay, the dough rested for 10 minutes. Should look like this. So now what we'll do is we put a little bit of flour on a thing and put it on both sides just to make sure it's floured like that. And now we're gonna start rolling it. I don't have a rolling pin, but I do have a technique. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use just a random can like this and just start rolling. That's what I've been doing because I need to buy a rolling pin. I don't have one. So we'll just stretch it a little bit so the dough looks nice and like elastic a little bit. So yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. The pizza is simple, it just takes a little bit of time to make. Trying to flat the pizza. Hope it's gonna be amazing. We're just rolling it. All right, next step. Sorry, I need to move the camera. So we're gonna put a little bit of oil in here, like that. Then we're gonna take a Scott towel, a little thing like this. We're just gonna put it everywhere. All right, now we're gonna take our pizza, put it in here. Now we're just gonna stretch it a little bit to make it full size. It's looking good. I like this. So yeah, just gonna stretch it by pulling a little bit on it. Should be around this size, the pizza you make. It's gonna be a good size. We're gonna Try to stretch it as much as possible without breaking it too much. And then we'll roll the edges to make a crust. If it breaks a little bit, it's not a big deal. Alright, we need a fork to poke some holes. So we're just gonna poke some holes everywhere in the middle of the pizza dough. That should be good enough. It's just so those parts don't rise too much. Now we're gonna stretch it one last time. Make sure what we want. If it breaks a little bit like this, it's fine. Okay, now we're gonna roll the dough to make a crust. I don't know what's the best way to do this, but like this should be fine. Doesn't need to be perfect. It's gonna make a cute little pizza. Then we can see if we cannot stretch it a little bit more. After that, that's probably one of the hardest steps. Trying to not break it too much. Alright. Gonna press on the crust. Alright, it's time to put the stuff in. We'll start with the sauce. So that's what it looks like so far. We'll put some sauce in the middle. We'll use a spoon to do some circle motions like this. Alright. Looks like we need a little bit more sauce. It's not looking that bad. Don't know if we need all this, but we'll put some here, some here, some here. And just spin it like that. Okay. Trying to not put it on the crust too much. Okay. I think that's enough sauce. Now we'll put the salami. You can put basically anything you want on this pizza you're making, if you're making one. It's okay. If you want to be vegetarian, you put vegetarian. If you want to have pepperoni, you put pepperoni. If you want chicken, you put chicken. If you want pineapple on pizza, you put pineapple. I'm not here to judge. Just here to show you that making a pizza isn't that hard. The oven is almost at 425 as well. So we'll put the pizza for like about 12 to 15 minutes. We'll keep an eye on it, obviously. Right, I still have some pepperoni left. Nice. So I'll put the most as I can. Just like that, one flat surface of salami. Right, and now for the cheese. Super pizza mozzarella. This one is supposed to be stringy and stretchy. My roommates like a lot of cheese, so I'm gonna be putting a lot. So if you want less cheese, you put less cheese. I'm just gonna put a lot of it. I think this cheese was on sale for like $4.50 or something. Alright, we're almost done here. And then all we have to do is cook it and then let it rest and cut it and taste test. Okay, this looks amazing. Right, I'll wait till the oven is at 425 and I'll put it in the oven. Okay, the oven is at 425 Fahrenheit. So we're now gonna put the pizza in it. And we're gonna leave it for like 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's remove this from the oven. Oh my god, look at that pizza. So amazing thing. Look at that pizza. Looks so delicious. Would you eat that out of 10? Yeah, I would definitely. Me, I would eat it. All right. So I'll cut a little slice. I'll cut it while it's hot. That looks amazing. So we'll do pizza style. The cheese looks like really nice. So we'll do like this. And the last slice. And then I'll do a little slice for me, like this, to taste test. Alright, I'll see you in the taste test. Alright, we're gonna taste it. This is what it looks like. The cheese pool is amazing on this. There's like cheese everywhere. Alright, let's eat it. Just blow on it because it's really hot. Okay. Let's see if this pizza is worth making. That's like a 10 out of 10. Not gonna lie, way better than I thought it would be today. Love it. Hot. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, leave a little thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cooking with Jaymee. Cooking with Jaymee. Cooking with Jaymee. I forgot. This is probably a 5 out of 10 for difficulty because the dough is a little bit more difficult than all the other stuff I did on the channel so far. So if you want to make it, do it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.